Text mining concept, some further elaboration on that one. It can be used or like especially in text-rich data environment like laws, in high courts, a lot of data is like textual data. Academic research, like data is the research articles over there, and patents. Okay. And finance and quarterly reports over there, like in Excel sheets, medicines, discharge summaries, biology data, molecular interaction, technology patterns, and marketing customer comments over there. So these kind of text data, these need to be handled, and it's growing more and more with the passage of time. Electronic communication record like email, spam filtering. So this is also important, that which emails to categorize as spam and which as a normal emails. This is one also a big field to do research in it. And email prioritization and categorization, like which emails to prioritize and which to categorize. Nowadays, you can see that in Gmail, you have 3 different categories, like normal emails, and then you have social emails, and the third one is the promotional emails over there. Similarly, our university, they have categorized into main 2 categories, focused and the normal one. Okay. And inside the normal one or the focused one, they have categorized into 2 different categories, which is called for within IAU and outside IAU. And then we have automatic response generation. Sometime if you're busy and you cannot respond to your customer, so automatic response is generated from your email or from other automatic modules over there. So these kind of response is being done over there. So the text mining concepts are being used over there. Text mining application area, we have where can we use it? Information extraction, topic tracking, which topic you do want to search, topic tracking. Summarization is very much important. Sometimes big articles, you don't have a time to read all the articles, but you need a few line summary. So text mining can extract the summary from the 10 pages or 20 pages article in just 5 or 10 lines over there. Categorization, as I told you, different categories in emails or different, like for example, even the videos categorization. These videos are like, for example, about the knowledge, it is about the medicine. This video is about the movies. This is about the like for example, documentaries. So how to categorize this one? This is also a text mining application over there. Clustering is also, we all talk about what is a clustering, how to make a cluster of different text items over there. Concept linking, yeah, sometime if you need to collect the documents, you need to collect the text with respect to the concept, similar concepts over there. Just like in Wikipedia, you can see over there, when you are reading an article, so there are links with each article. And when you read articles, you go to another article, and from that article you go to another article. So there is a linking concepts over there. It is also an application of text mining. And question answering. Okay, question answering, as I told you about the QA, it can also be automated. Unstructured and semi-structured data, we have it. Corpus. Corpus means usually corpora is a technical name for the text mining basically. So corpora means the set of words which you want to do some mining over there. And terms, okay, terms is just normal word for us. Okay, concepts, linking the concepts over there. Stemming, stemming means like cutting the whole sentence in different parts over there. It's called stemming. Stop words, okay, like where to word and which word to include and exclude from the whole text. Synonyms. Do you know about the synonyms?
Yes. Is it the same, yani, when 2 words have the same meaning?
2 words have the same meaning. And homonyms?
I think when they have the same sound.
Yeah, there are different meanings of it. And polysems?
I don't know.
Yeah, polysems, you can see, but as I know, polysems is a linguistic terminology, and polysems are those words with different meanings, or you can just check it out and let me know, because I forgot that thing, polysems. But it is with the name with the different meaning as far as I know. But anyone can double check from the Google and let me know. Okay. And then tokenization. Tokenization is also means like to dividing the words or sentences into the different groups of words. This is also called tokenization. So these are the different terminology which can be used in the text mining. Term dictionary, because for that you need a dictionary as well. It's electronic dictionary where the different meanings words are available over there, for synonyms and homonyms and polysems over there. Word frequency, which word is frequently occurring over there. Part of speech tagging. Okay. Morphology. The morphology is mean to knowing the structure of the words over there. Term by document matrix. It is one of the technology techniques which is used for text mining. This is a matrix is being constructed over there, and you see that how the occurrences of the terms occurring in a specific text over there. And there is another mathematical concept is called single value decomposition. It's also dealing with the matrices over there and matrix with the words. And latent semantic indexes. Semantic, there are two concepts. One is called syntax, another is called semantics. Syntax is with the grammar, and semantic is with the understanding of the words over there. Okay. So two different concepts are being linked over there. Latent means like hidden, makhfi or hidden we call it. Okay. So you got the polysems, the meaning of polysems, anyone?